Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film an empties video for you because I've been using quite a bit of products. I haven't really bought anything new outside of the things that you guys have seen me try that's new, like the new Shea Moisture. But yeah, I've been trying to not buy as much, but I still feel like I have even more stuff because I've been getting stuff in PR, which I'm so thankful for. But yeah, so I'm trying to get through my stash and not buy new stuff, so I'm getting through some old stuff. So let's just go ahead and jump into the empties. Okay, all right, got them all in my handy dandy notebook. No, it's in a DSW bag, it's not in a notebook. All right, so first thing is, and I did do a review for you guys on this, and this is the got a piece of hair on here. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Curl Reviving Butter Balm. I got this from Target. I have no idea how much it cost. I think it was $3.98. The price is like washed off because I, keep stuff like this in the shower. But anyways, this one was the one with flower oil and amla extract. I remember liking but not loving this. I don't think I would repurchase it again. I'm trying to jog my memory. But yeah, I think this was just okay, nothing super special, but I will link the review below for you guys since I said I did it. But yeah, picked this up at Target on clearance. So yeah, she was okay. She wasn't all that. She was okay, but this smell is A1. It smells very luxe, elite, luxe, sleek, high class, classy, upper echelon. You know what I'm saying? How many synonyms do we need? How many? Next item is the Berry Curly Berry Mint Deep Conditioner. You guys know I remembered to keep it on my my desk. My desk is a mess, by the way. But this is the Berry Curly Berry Mint Deep Conditioner, and this has been replaced by the Creole Belle Organics King Cake Deep Conditioner. And that wasn't even that hard of an alliteration, but I just couldn't get through it. And this is from the Magnolia collection, and this one detangles and moisturizes. It says it for all hair types. I am going to review this for you guys, but I absolutely love this. My first video ever. Oh my god, oh my god, you guys, I just realized I've been on YouTube for 2 years. I just realized that it's August. Wait, was it August or July? Oh my, I think I missed my 2-year anniversary day. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping. I'm so excited. I can't believe I've been on here for 2 years. I'm so hyped. I cannot believe I missed it. I was just about to say, this is my first video ever. In 2016, it was either late July or early August of 2016. I can't remember. Somebody let me know if you guys remember. Let me know if you've been here since my first video. Like, what? Why did you even like me? Why do you like me now? Why are you here? I'm okay with it, but why are you here? So yeah, I absolutely love this stuff. I love pairing it with the oil. So of course, when I try the new deep conditioner, I'm going to pair it with the oil because that is how I loved it. But I will definitely link this below. Like I said, this product is near and dear to my heart. A, for the fact that I'm obsessed with it, and the line, and the fact that it's Black owned and it's female owned. Like, you gotta love that. So I will link the video for this, which is no longer made. It's now the King Cake Deep Conditioner, but I'll link the video for this below since it's my first video. If you guys just want to take oh my god, and it's Throwback Thursday. Sorry, if you just want to take a jog down memory lane. Okay. I cannot believe, who do I think I am on YouTube for 2 years? Girl, stop. This is, oh my gosh, I talk about this all the time. So this is the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream. It says it defines waves, curls, coils, moisturizes, conditioning, stops frizz, and no sticky buildup. I feel like I've talked about this a million times, but I want to make it 1,000,001 so I can make this super, super clear. This is one of my favorite products of all time. If I need a one and done product where I don't need to layer products, like add a holding gel on top of some type of styling cream or anything like that, I am reaching for this. Now I will say it does have a bit of a learning curve to it, in my opinion, because it's so thick. It's just weird. It's like a cream and a gel mixed together to have a baby. So I want to do a review on this for you guys because I love it so much and I highly recommend it. So absolutely obsessed with the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream. Oh, my little fella's walking in here. Hey, dude. You want to come in here and chill with mama? So yeah, I'm definitely going to do a review for this. I picked this up from Walgreens. I know they also sell it in Target and pretty much like the usual suspects of drugstores. I'm not sure if they have it in Bed Bath & Beyond and Harmon's, but if you've seen it there, comment down below. Let a player know. Each one teach one. You know? All right. So next is an oldie but goodie, and I've seen the viral video about this putting your hair in shambles, but it has not yet done that to me. So I'm going to continue to use it because I'm hard-headed. But this is the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. I don't even have to explain to you what Eco Style is. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory. I believe this is my favorite one. I like the olive oil one too. I don't know too much of a difference between hold in these, but I will say that I feel like the clear one has the most hold. Like that makes my hair feel like a rock. But I just love this stuff. I love it for slicking my hair back in a bun. I have used it on a wash and go before. I just love this stuff. It's super cheap, which probably isn't always the best. Why is my battery dying? It's super cheap, which isn't always the best thing, but yeah, I love it. And it's like $5 or not even, probably like $4, and it gets the job done. It gets the job done. Okay. Moving right along. Next is the Hask Greek Yogurt Hydrating Deep Conditioner. I did a review on this not too long ago, so I will link it down below. I like this, but I don't think I absolutely loved it. I definitely like the Hask, the purple one, what is that one? The Macadamia one. I'll link that review below. I know it has nothing to do with this empties, but I feel like if you take nothing else away from me, take away that the Hask Macadamia Deep Conditioner Mask is life. Like, take that away. Take it. I'm giving it to you. Please take it. Thank you so much. All right. But sorry, this has nothing to do with this. But I'll link this review below too if you're curious. But I'm going to link that other one also. Okay? Okay. The next item is the Kukui Nut and Grapeseed Oils Damage Rehab Treatment Mask. I don't even know how long I used this. How long ago I used this, but I honestly can't remember. Like, I think I liked it, but I can't remember if I loved it. So my bad on that. But I'll link it below because I have reviewed this. I need to go watch it myself because if I loved it, I need to buy more because these are only like $2. So I'll link this one below for you. But did I love this? I think I did. I feel like I loved all of them, but I don't know if I love this one the most because there was like 3 that came out like in these little packs, like kind of all at the same time. It was this one, the pink one, which is the Peace Rose Oil, and the orange one, which is the Argan Oil and Almond Milk one. So yeah, I'll link the review for this mask below. Next item is Macadamia. Didn't I? No, I had the smaller one of this. I've actually had this in an empties video before, but it was a smaller bottle. But I like this one. It's just too heavy for my hair. This is one I've had forever. I started using it when I first went natural, and I didn't really know exactly what my hair liked and needed and what I wanted out of my hair and what I wanted out of products. So I wouldn't buy this again. I kind of think it's overpriced. It just wasn't that great for me. My hair is too fine for this. So yeah, it smells great though. It smells very rich. It smells like trust fund money, you know? Next is the Carol's Daughter Macadamia Finishing Shine Mist. They do not sell this anymore. I remember looking it up when I filmed my product stash video for the oils, and I haven't forgotten. I have one more product stash video for you guys. I'm just slow, but I haven't forgotten. But this, I loved it. It was great. Until I found something cheaper to replace it that I loved more, which, funny, who was talking about this? I was talking about this. Funny it should be brought up. Never mind. This always happens with stuff like this. I think it's an empty, but then there's a little bit left. So she's like a pretend empty, but I mean, she was already in the bag. But this is the Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. I feel like I didn't talk enough about this, but I mean, you can't buy it anywhere. So what more was there to say? So bye, girl. Bye, wig. So this is the Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. I am obsessed with this. I don't know how many times I have to mention it. I love this. I love spraying this on my straight hair after like day 4 or 5. On day 1, if I just want to be extra bougie, extra unnecessary, have an extra gloss, have my hair look like glass, have it look sleek, all of that, I'm gonna like spray it and then just kind of like walk into it. I feel like I've showed you this, guys. You just spray it up in the air and you just like you just kind of exist into it, you know what I mean? So otherwise it's just gonna weigh my hair down too much. I don't like anything on my hair when it's straight, but after like day 4 or 5, especially if I'm gonna put some curls in it, spray this bad boy on it, what, oh my gosh. Or when my hair is curly, slick back in a bun, if I want it to be snatched back even more, like as far as the look, doesn't do any actual snatching, but I feel like it adds that cherry right on top of the sundae for the snatchiness. I don't like that word. We're not gonna use that no more. But yeah, if you just, this is the topper on top of all things that are great. I just feel like you can't go wrong with this as your last step in your styling process. It just adds shine and it just looks so good. Like I feel like people are they're like, what do you have in your hair that is like so shiny? But yeah, so I absolutely love that stuff. Oddly enough, I've never done a review on it, but I feel like I talk about it so much. You guys know how much I love it. You see, I put that one back over there because she's going back in the bathroom. She's got like another spritz in her. But anyways, yeah, so those were all the empties that I had today. I feel like I kind of started talking fast towards the end. That's because my battery keeps telling me it's about to die. I'm gonna be pissed if I have to film this in 2 segments. So anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for 2 years. I cannot believe I've been on YouTube for 2 years. Like I was so shy in my first video and now I'm just so myself. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Like I said, let me know if you've been here since the beginning, even if you've been here since day 1 or if you just found me right now. I'm so thankful. And that's it. That's all I have to say, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, stack it up like what are you doing? Stop it. No. What are you doing? Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Hey, you want to say hey to the camera? Oh, I don't have a bra on, so I can't really lift him up. It wouldn't be cute. See, this is what I like about YouTube. You guys only see me from here up. You have no idea what's going on down here. No idea. Yo quiero la rentas y 50 en los cientos. Soy la princesa. Should not sing. I should not sing. Wait, so y'all not like to like listen to music, just get myself in the vibe before I film? Let me turn this down. Has anyone ever seen the episode of American Dad where like Steve and all his friends are like grinding on the ottoman to this? It's literally like I died when I saw that. I laughed for like at least 3 minutes straight. Hilarious! Hilarious! Flashback to like my 7-year-old self singing this, having no idea what he was talking about.